This training is intended to provide useful information regarding safety on construction sites. It does not replace the need for live training. Materials provided in this training are intended for general information purposes only. Users are responsible for making their own assessments of workplace hazards and for adapting information found in this training to their specific circumstances. This training is not designed to satisfy your legal requirements. Many jurisdictions require training developed and delivered by an individual with specific training and experience. This video series provides awareness level training. It does not authorize or endorse any person or organization, nor does it validate competency. Safety training must be supplemented with operation and process specific assessments, including management oversight to make sure that all safety protocols are understood and followed. You must evaluate all exposures, applicable codes, laws, and regulations. You must establish proper controls, training, and protective measures that effectively control exposures and ensure regulatory compliance. This training confers no endorsement. It does not determine that the conditions and practices of your organization are safe, nor does it warrant that reliance upon this training will result in preventing accidents and losses or satisfy local, state, or federal regulations. Always prepare properly and pay careful attention to what you're doing. Start by becoming familiar with all the safety guidelines established by government safety and fall protection standards. You must follow them at all times. Additionally, the NRCA and OSHA or OSHA are excellent sources of reliable information. ICO recommends that you use fall arrest safety equipment and always follow your local and national guidelines when shingling roofs of certain heights and slopes. Please contact your local building or labor department for more information on the specific requirements, laws, or regulations in your area. Inspect the job site for possible hazards such as unstable ground conditions or overhead electrical lines. Never roof in bad weather or when surfaces are wet or icy. Never work alone. And always be aware of the people working around you. Make sure everyone knows how to properly use the tools of the trade. Keep all safety equipment in clean and good working order and not used stored in a safe place. Make sure you have proper footwear for good traction. Rubber-soled shoes are the best. Avoid leaning away from the ladder to work and remember to tie it off to the eavesdropping every time you move it. Keep the work area free of debris. It can be a constant tripping hazard. Always take the time you need to ensure your safety and your team's. Remember that most accidents can be avoided.